Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Another very nice move today. Did this analysis on Wednesday, and after big movements that occurred on Wednesday, so I'm, like I said, not exactly a revolutionary discovery on my part. Absolutely monster move. The price did pull back here a little bit, so you always got to kind of wonder, is this the beginning of the end? And no, absolutely not. The day started off very nice. Price moved back upwards, and after that, things kind of got quote-unquote boring in the sense of the price just simply went sideways the remainder of the day. But yeah, from a trading perspective, maybe things got boring, but from an overall health perspective of the bigger picture chart, yeah, that's definitely some very healthy movement that you would want to see. And as long as those consolidation areas continue to get higher and higher than previous consolidation areas, that's how the long-term uptrends are constructed. So really going forward, the level, or kind of the pattern here that stands out to me is, so let's get this in place. So we have the resistance portion of the pattern. Let me actually change that to red for resistance. And then we also have more so kind of the uptrending part of the pattern. So that being right here. And this is more of a kind of not exact points. I'm just trying to convey an overall kind of idea here that, this is what we have here is essentially a wedge that is formed. And then if you draw kind of the pull portion of it right there. And for you golfers out there, if you put the golf hole down there, this is what we would call a bull pennant pattern. So if you really want just to impress somebody, or just like, Clay, look, listen, I got to get to dinner. Hurry up and summarize this for me. Then fine, NVAX 30-minute bull pennant pattern. That's the best way you could summarize it right now. And that is, again, the pennant that you would see right there as far as, and the reason it's bullish is because this is all happening in an overall uptrend. How do you know that's an uptrend? Well, you just look right there at that 50-period moving average, and you can see it has a very, very strong upward slope to it. And as time goes by, so Friday and then next week, that line will continue to work its way higher and higher. So from the big picture of things, even if the price were to break to the downside of the pattern, sure, that's not good in the near term and for that near term pattern, but looking at more than just the near term and the overall perspective of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, and the bulls still 100% own the overall trend. So all in all, like I said, bull pennant pattern on the 30-minute. We'll see if the bulls can get the breakout to the upside of the pattern or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.